Welcome back to Motivational Insights. Today, we're going to tackle a question that might seem trivial at first glance, but it holds valuable lessons about overcoming obstacles and embracing opportunities. Today, we're exploring a fascinating linguistic phenomenon: why does will not become won't? Let's dive in and uncover the motivational insights behind this linguistic transformation. At first glance, will not and won't may seem like unrelated terms. However, their connection runs deeper than meets the eye. The transformation from will not to won't illustrates the power of language to evolve and adapt over time, reflecting the human tendency to seek efficiency and convenience in communication. Linguists refer to this process as contraction, where two words are combined into one through the omission of letters or sounds. In the case of won't, the contraction arises from blending will and not together, creating a shorter, more streamlined expression. But why do we contract words in the first place? The answer lies in our innate desire for efficiency and clarity. By condensing will not into won't, we save time and effort in both spoken and written communication, allowing us to convey our thoughts more quickly and succinctly. Contraction not only streamlines language but also enhances comprehension. When we hear or read a contraction like won't, our brains process it more rapidly than the two separate words, facilitating smoother communication. From a psychological standpoint, the use of contractions like won't can convey a sense of informality and friendliness, fostering a deeper connection between speakers or writers and their audience. Beyond its practical benefits, the transformation of will not into won't carries a profound motivational insight. It reminds us of our capacity to adapt, innovate, and find creative solutions to streamline our lives and interactions. In every difficulty lies opportunity. Albert Einstein. Life is about growth and adaptation. Always keep moving forward. Just as language evolves to meet our changing needs, so too must we embrace change and adaptability in our personal and professional lives. By recognizing the power of contraction in language, we can harness its motivational insights to overcome obstacles, communicate more effectively, and cultivate deeper connections with those around us. If you found this video inspiring, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more motivational insights and fascinating discoveries. Remember to hit the like button, leave a comment to share your thoughts, and spread the positivity by sharing this video with your friends and family. Together, we can create a ripple effect of inspiration and empowerment. We look forward to seeing you in our next episode. Until then, keep shining bright and embracing the wonders of the world around you. Thank you for joining us on Motivational Insights. Here's to a new year filled with endless possibilities. Until next time, stay inspired and keep striving for greatness. Until next time, keep seeking wisdom in the everyday, and may your journey be filled with moments of inspiration and insight.